The next one say the king be like who like many apology. The first one not do am. They tell you say you will see the first one is the children, the indigenes, the sons and daughters, the mothers, the fathers. When not they use their tradition till they play. Now then they verse so. Now then they paranoid so. You see the king for outside the verse. They say if you get plate, no know the value. Say they use any strangers. What you expect me strangers use and they do? What you expect where me wey not come from the land make I use the king do? I go use and play caricature because I not see anybody wey come out come speak to defend their home. Next time another person will do them. You see as they just Hi guys, you're welcome back to Sophie Universe, wherever you're watching me from around the world. I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May he or she open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notified whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my amazing brothers and sisters. So my returning subscribers that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May he or she guide your going out and your coming in as usual, your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy. They make me so bubble. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to share with you now the hot ogbonga topic with the social media right now, with the cash fire, where they boss social space right now, where everybody they talk about. I take come upon myself. I say if me not talk about this one, who I help and waiting again, with respect to the people or to the persons who wants to yarn their matter today. Still on Inside Naija. Now this our bros Jollof now enter one chance for Shekiri people hand with respect to the Shekiri people. In comments, in say in con they give advice. Advice and Wamangbe as we go call them. He come out can give the royal house advice onto politics matter. He even remove spectacle for the matter who they talk. So now the people of Shekiri land now they provoke, say how dare you, born you, cocoa you, train you, where you for come out, who know you? All of them provoke. They turn the jollof rice to fried rice for them. They fry nonsense come up for your head. They want beautiful babe, one gallant baby. English, eh? Oh Jesus Christ! SS where the fly come out for inside. You will know say she even sabi the English pass her birth language with respect to her. She come out, come tell jollof rice say, who fry you? Who jollof you? Who give you jollof? You don't say why they misbehave for this social media. They use spectacle, they look you, they just do like this, they look you, say one day you will change. Then you can't cross your boundary, can't go where you're not supposed to go. You can't use my people, Edo gallant people, say make reference, say how many times you don't see, say the ones who get sense from Edo, where they speak shwing, where they know themselves, where they influence people for social media. How many times you don't see them, don't throw mouth, go their big ass. That one can't give me joy small. Unto say man, people will get eye, they see say the touts where they social media where they talk anyhow. They don't be full indigene of Edo. They don't be full bona fide of Edo. They don't be Edo children. So I was very happy say this lady, this babe, no say man, Kaki not be leather. He used Edo Bini people to make example how many times they don't see that kind of thing based on who Mr. Jollof be, based on as a platform dot a big, based on as he take go school. Now I think say she take use that example. Not saying a comparison of kingdom, because I see some comments, many people they misunderstand the babe. With all due respect to each and every one of you. Someone listening to this beautiful girl when she cut chain, they send message to Mr. Jollof. More listening to them together, more say as real babe, take the cut chain. This one will prove to many people say what a man can do, a woman can also do it better. with all due respect. Mona no you come for me say all these masculismo gender men. Mona no you come. Mona just dey una day. As we just dey so with respect. Let's go there.
Matters concerning our traditional ruler Ogia. My name is Lizzie Gold Onowaje. My tribal name is Orisha Bupemi Onowaje. I am from Warri South Local Government. My name is Lizzie Gold Onowaje. My tribal name is Orisha Bupemi Onowaje. I am from Warri South Local Government or Madino. I'm a proud Shekiri girl and a Nollywood actress. Jollof, this video is for you. Who raised you? What part of the Shekiri kingdom are you from? You have no right to bring matters concerning our traditional ruler, Ogiame, Atuwashe Toro to your social media platforms. I have never heard or seen any Benin person speak negatively about the Oba of Benin. I have never. Who raised you, like I said? You see that throne the king is seated on? That throne is bigger than you in your entire generation.
I tell you, okay now.
You have no right to meddle into matters concerning our traditional king. You have no right. Do you want to bring curse upon your life?
Ask him.
By virtue of
see, she just fine, oh, she just dey, but she knows say traditional curse they follow person they come. 100 times they follow person they come. If you come live 1 million times, he go follow you come back. If you not even take time, go that is it go transfer from your generation to generation. That is why each and every one of us need to be careful of where we the throw mat put, especially when it concern throne, especially when it concern anything we relate to big house. More yours bangbe, more not yours like they go that area. But that one on me when person overstep a boundary, make you not talk, put like correct this person with love, just as this beautiful babe tell they do and so. I bet my sister chop kiss, you too day. That's a complete finish in every sense. Brain oh, beauty oh. I believe say if you still turn back a day, see front, it complete. I beg na mama born you. In fact, now woman you be. More continue.
Authority, powers in the firmament, land and water is bestowed on the king. He has every right to place a curse on you. Stop acting like a tout all the time. I have been monitoring you squarely all the time. You spew nonsense on your page. Don't you have friends that can advise you?
Okay now, they get a power.
If your friends cannot advise you, can your parents not advise you?
Ask again.
Please bring down that video from your page and apologize to the Ishekiri kingdom. You're a small boy.
No, I tell you.
Elders are speaking, kids don't go close.
You're
a child.
CSS, they fall for English.
Please learn to behave yourself.
Okay.
Don't allow the Instagram or social media, whatever, make you forget where you are from.
Thank you. Tell them.
Bring down that video. Thank you. Nonsense.
Now, woman you be, oh. Woman. Only you now woman. Only you now women. Only this babe now women, not be like. See the ease where she is put in, you not get part 2. I thank this lady, I appreciate her the way she take come out, come speak and stand for her land. Now so person they do, now so people they know who you be. Show your identity anywhere you go. Don't be shy, don't be shimmy shy, don't be ashamed of where you come from. No matter how people they try to bring where you from come down, always make people praise where you from come. Stand that for your land, regardless of who you be. If you know say what you they see for social media, what your people they do, or what people will claim say they be your people they do, you not like them. You make people like them. Always represent positively for your land anywhere you go. Let people for your sake praise your land. Let people for your sake praise your motherland. After this, my beautiful sister just send this message to Mr. Jollof where they turn the name to fried rice right now. The guy not get choice than to drop that video, but now social media, he don't do social media. Many people, in fact, many people don't oversave van for black boss. You don't understand. So he dropped the video. I don't see the video for a platform again. He can't render apology just as people ask him to do. When he still come out, he can't do it arrogantly. People still say, you where? What you they do? Who you they send this apology to? We not accept them. then he can't do another one, can't humble himself. Before I go share the video with you, I more quickly see one or two comments where some people drop for this my beautiful lady. The first person say, first off, I don't see anything wrong with the video Jollof made. And then again, Elizabeth, we don't know you. Lastly, don't ever compare Ogeme with Oba of Benin. Jollof senior you, small girl looking for attention. Somebody they defend at home now looking for attention. Must everything be looking for attention? Not be social media the bros Jollof for do am. Na social media go for see reply na. Person talk na problem. Person not talk na problem. With respect to you, bro, not take am personal. The next one say, Mr. Jollof lost my respect after that video. The next one say, people don't have much time for the traditional fathers anymore because they are all political kings. Check out all the top Yorubas. Benin, even the Hausa emir are no more respected like before. The next one say, no cause anything. Make una dey talk about cause. King wey dey carry go court, make it settle. For my beautiful place, they say children don't know who they sleep with their mama. If they see who they sleep with their mama, they go dey call am brother. Some people don't know the power wey throne carry. They just feel say life don civilize. They feel say blood of Jesus fit wash everything wey they use their mouth to do. Go inside Bible, you will see say even the Bible recognize kings. Bible recognize them. So if Bible recognize them, you people should be careful of what you people say or do in public, because this word na egg. If you don't comment my brothers and sisters to take them back, it can hard. It's not easy. You can't even take it back. Not to talk of it not easy. Una no understand. With respect to una. The last but not the least say, there are some people that will always remain as enemies, no matter how you try make peace with them. They have sworn never to allow you rest until they see you go down. You, Mr. Jollof, tell us the full gist. The evil that men do, live with them, not after them. Okay now, so more quickly dive into the apology where this my bros apologize. More see whether it makes sense or it not make sense. Whether if now you be the papa or mama, whether you will accept that kind of apology from your pikin. Let's dive into it. Let's go there.
For mass, Oguru, and for mass, Oguru, Pururu, Ogiame, Pururu, Ogiame, and for mass, Oguru, Pururu,
Pururu,
Ogiame, Pururu.
Don't read.
Baba, this is now post video on how we fit come together. As Shekiri go take be one. As Shekiri go take move forward with a 10 years plan. Baba, nice sons and daughters of the land. That they misinterpret me. Say I be rebel. Baba, if you can recall very well, 21st of August, the coronation, I personally congratulated you. The following day, Baba, I made 2 publications on my
Bros. Who be Christian yesterday? Fit backslide today because you congratulate him yesterday. No me say you not go fit be rebel today. Oh. I'm just saying. We'll continue.
Channel platform we get over 1 million plus followership. They promote
you
the truth. So Baba, how for October I will cut the rebel. I shop push. Baba, may nobody misinterpret me. And I will call on the sons and daughters of Iwere land. Make una not see me as rebel to Iwere land. I belong to the school of thought that the uniqueness of Ishekiri, now 1 crown, 1 king, 1 language.
cool.
I beg, if una misinterpret me, I be peace ambassador, and for the purpose of peace and tranquility that I will always stand on, I will call on the sons and daughters of the Shekiri. Most especially, I will call on Baba to forgive me. If possible, The Baba will give me the blessing self. See your tummy. So I take a beg una. I beg una. No go fit be baby to wear a land. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless Delta State. And God bless the wear land. Ashamukia.
Okay now. People provoke. May they bless you on top of the one way you do. May the king bless you on top of the one way you do so. But I happy say he come apologize, but he wasn't sincere about it. He was just like, he be like person where they play over the thing. You don't know the gravity. You don't know as you don't know say wetin do carry weight well. You don't know say they don't turn the jollof rice to fried rice. When he can't go back after this apology, now he can't know say man, not be that they do Indian film, not so that they do action film. And the people of the land, the good citizens, in fact, the indigenous, the royal children. Now they say, you dey try us? You sure say now will you dey try like this? Now they enter them for social media. Oh, now this my bros come out again. Come like humble himself. When you mean humble, he can't really tender the apology wella. So more we see the original Ogbonga one we can't do again. Maybe, just maybe, he by himself go look the first apology when he give. He can't look social media the way people not accept him. Now he can't come back and apologize. To me, I think this one they more sincere than the first one we render. With all due respect, wetin I know. Now my own I just dey talk for here. More listening together, more see what una think about this very one.
I want to use this medium to apologize. Not just apologize, sincerely apologize to His Majesty, the paramount ruler in Warri Kingdom, Ogiame Atuwase III, the Oluofori. The 6th day of October 2021, I made a publication. The topic was on how we can strive for peace in Warri Kingdom, but it was totally out of place and not properly constructed, of which I admit. It became an insult to the sons and daughters in Warri Kingdom. I accept my mistake and I seek for the forgiveness of the authority in Warri Kingdom and also the forgiveness from the sons and daughters in Warri Kingdom. Silver and gold I have none, but all I ask for is for forgiveness. Ogiame, our formers, forgive me. Our daughters, forgive me. Our mothers, forgive me. Our fathers, forgive me. Sons, forgive me. All I dey preach for that peace. And that peace, we go embrace ourselves and we go achieve what. I want the video to go viral. I want to use this medium to apologize.
When I see the second apology, the only difference we did for this one with respect to Mr. Jollof, now say in Idan, the apology be like waiting the first son to come do, not be waiting really come from his heart. With his body language, I think say they think or they feel say wetin do not they wrong. So the sons and daughters forgive me, mothers forgive me, sisters forgive me. In body language, it look as if it's not serious. Maybe you will still come back and do another one. When you go see say people not still accept them. When you want to apologize, with all due respect from the bottom of my heart, bros, sincerely humble yourself. Not do as if say man you dey throw and give people. Say they try and give people. When people say you offend them, just say I'm sorry sincerely, because now only sorry now if you rescue person for this life. Now only sorry now if you soften people hearts with all due respect. More we see one or two comments where our brothers and sisters leave put. More see whether they accept this apology or they not accept it. Let's go there together. The first comment here say, please accept our sincere apology. Bros, you sure say sincere? Okay. Oh. The other one say, not complete. You no shout Boruru. Okay now. The next one say you just dey waste time. Wetin dey interesting about this comment na VIP. Now VIP they be, I think, because they verify their accounts, but it not really mean say you must be VIP before you verify your accounts. You don't understand, but the fact now say when you be public figure where people know, I think neither they verify accounts. Mona no verse, mona pardon me if not be so. Don't they know finish? Me I never verify because nobody know me. I don't understand. Then the next one, a boss laugh for a mind. I think say you strong and you don't come it down. The next one say wisdom is profitable to direct you. You did well. One accepted. The other one say now who other azu. The next one say now so beg you they beg. Okay, now you don't fair beg. The next one say pikin where they find plenty rice, not supposed to fear dance. Okay now. It's a parable. The next one say your face not be like who they apologize. It be like say you still the verse. Okay, oh, another person still see that face. Let me see. Okay. The next one say man, people. The next one say honestly, I am not from Delta, but I was so angry with what you said. A whole king can't speak his language well. You went too far. I hope they forgive you. They will if he truly sincerely apologize. That is the work of a father. Papa not just the carry, just the son pikin, not accept him back. Father always remain father, mother always remain mother. With respect to una, if only pikin sincerely apologize and know say me wetin do not good, parents not get choice than to forgive because they know say now them next to be that pikin. Then the next one say apology not the finish. The next one say make I feel the azu. The next one say the king be like who like many apology. The first one not do am. They tell you say you will see the first one is the children, the indigenes, the sons and daughters, the mothers, the fathers. When not they use their tradition till they play. Now then they verse so. Now then they paranoid. So you see the king for outside the verse. They say if you get plate, no know the value. Say they use any strangers. What do you expect me strangers use and they do? What do you expect when me wey not come from the land make I use the king do? I go use and play caricature because I not see anybody wey come out come speak to defend their home. Next time another person will do them. You see as they just ban this one as just they grow they come so they all uproot and in fact they not cut and they uproot and come off for ground. Tomorrow another person will try am because they use big one to make example. Now so life supposed be. You not go wait make person curse your papa or curse your mama 2 or 3 times before you can retaliate. A good child will retaliate instantly with all due respect. The next one say na apology never complete oh. You not talk paruru. Okay now. The next one say paruru. The next one say Jollof is always apologizing. The next one say your eye don't clear. Okay now. The last but not the least say you have done well Jollof, but I will still advise you to go to the palace and apologize properly to the king and clear your name, bro. Okay, my brothers and sisters, this last advice not be bad one in my own point of view. I join Mr. Jollof apologize sincerely to the beautiful people of Ishekiri. Hand where they take beat pikin, now the city they draw on your body. As long you don't apologize, mona find place for na heart, mona take forgive her. I not believe say tomorrow he go make the same video again or he go make the same mistake again. As una don't use skin flog and so, una don't tell and say that area na no go area, mona find place for na heart to take forgive am. I know so many people will they like me we see body language like person where they force, maybe na a kind of person, maybe na so instead they render a apology. You know some men, if they want to apologize to their girlfriend or to their wife, they will throw like stone. It don't do now, sorry now, it don't do. Now just their way. It not really mean say they don't mean now. When I don't understand, with all due respect to una. So this one are the hot report, the hot topic when I get, where I say I quickly can share with una before it still expire, before una still tell me say na old gist o, na I say I quick bring and come as it just the hot. So that one no mean say I not get old story to talk o. I dey very busy since then. Now make me never dey post since then. That one no mean say I no will post the one where I want to talk about, because my opinion na my opinion. Una never hear my own. With all due respect, I hope you guys understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you not take this one personal. Mr. Jollof, if you come across this video, I hope you not take am personal. No problem. Before you go even reach where you dey, you don't verse finish. You no go verse for me again, because I trust my people. They want to share this kind of video. The time we go tell you where you dey, maybe you don't use crushes the waka. You go take on like fun. You don't understand. So thank you very much, guys, for sharing this your wonderful, precious time with me. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Till I come your way next time, this Sophie Universe, the massive truths. Please, if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for now? Subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my handsome, beautiful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to be the change you want, my brother, and let me be the change I want. Don't ever forget to be the change you want, my beautiful sister, and let me be the change I want. You are the change we are looking for in Africa. I am the change we are looking for in Nigeria. Together, when we all change, they do better things, come out our hand from bad things, correct people with love, stop the hypocrisy, stop the bribery, be the best version of yourself. Believe me, you, our papa and our mama land will be one of the greatest and sweetest in the world. You will enjoy them, me will enjoy them, our children will enjoy them, our children will still come enjoy them. Not be saying a lie. And I also pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other, give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge, and every other bad stuff. Don't forget to share my video, guys. Don't forget to patronize me, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video, one love.